Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, the Govee Curtain Lights.
Now, these aren't your ordinary string lights. They're packed with smart technology and versatility that will elevate any space.
Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick off this review by talking about what sets the Govee Curtain Lights apart.
These lights are not just for the holiday season, although they do make a stunning addition to your festive decor.
With their customizable colors, patterns, and scenes, they're perfect for year-round use.
Whether you're creating a cozy atmosphere for a rainy day indoors or adding a touch of magic to your outdoor garden party, these lights have you covered.
Now, what impressed me about these lights is their level of customization. With the Govee app,
you have access to millions of colors and light scenes. Plus, thanks to Govee's RGBIC technology, you can even display images using the 520 light beads embedded in each string. That means you can bring your favorite scenes to life right on your walls or windows. Setting up the Govee Curtain Lights is a breeze, thanks to the 3 mounting options provided.
Whether you prefer to hang them on your existing rod, use the included hooks, or opt for the VHB gums for a seamless look, Govee has you covered. And with their IP65 waterproof rating, you can even use them outdoors without worry. In terms of performance, these lights shine, pun intended. The light beads are bright and vibrant, creating a stunning visual effect in any space.
Plus, with app control and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can easily adjust the lights to suit your mood or occasion with just a voice command.
So, should you invest in the Govee Curtain Lights? Absolutely.
With their versatility, customization options, and ease of use, they're a fantastic addition to any home. Whether you're looking to add a touch of romance to your space or create a dazzling display for your next gathering, these lights have you covered.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And that's a wrap on our review of the Govee Curtain Lights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating!